Driver Booster is one of the most popular tools for keeping your computer's drivers up to date. Whether you're a gamer or just someone who wants your PC to run smoothly, having outdated drivers can cause problems. Low FPS, crashes, or hardware not working correctly. That's where Driver Booster comes in. It automatically scans your system, finds missing or outdated drivers, and updates them with one click. Let's go through every step you need to know to use Driver Booster properly, from installation to advanced features.
Step 1. Downloading and installing Driver Booster. Open your browser and go to the official IOBit website, https://www.iobit.com. On the homepage, click on Products and then select Driver Booster. Hit the Download Free button. This will download the setup file, usually named driverbooster_setup.exe. Once the file is downloaded, double-click it to start the installation. During the installation, uncheck any optional software offers that might appear. Sometimes Driver Booster bundles extra tools from IOBit. Choose your installation folder or just go with the default and click Install. After a few seconds, Driver Booster will launch automatically.
Step 2. Initial scan for outdated drivers. When you open Driver Booster for the first time, it will immediately prompt you to run a scan. Click the big Scan button in the center of the screen. The software will start analyzing your system. It checks every connected device, graphics card, audio, network adapters, chipset, USB controllers, etc. This process usually takes less than a minute, depending on how many drivers you have. After the scan, you'll see a full report. How many drivers are outdated, missing, or faulty? A list of all devices and their current driver versions. New version numbers that Driver Booster found.
Step 3. Updating drivers automatically. Once the scan is done, you can update all your drivers with one click. To update everything at once, simply click Update Now at the top right corner. If you want to update only specific drivers, check the boxes next to them and then hit Update Next to each one. Driver Booster will create a system restore point automatically. You can disable this, but it's recommended to keep it on. The software will then start downloading and installing the drivers one by one. During this process, don't close the app. Avoid restarting your computer until all updates are finished. When it's done, you'll see a message like, "All drivers have been updated successfully."
Step 4. Restarting your computer. After installing certain drivers, especially GPU, chipset, or sound card drivers, you'll need to restart your PC for changes to take effect. Driver Booster will show you a Restart Now or Restart Later button. It's best to click Restart Now so your system can reload with the latest updates properly.
Step 5. Advanced features in Driver Booster. Driver Booster isn't just for updating drivers. It includes several powerful tools to fix common PC issues. 1. Fix no sound. If your computer suddenly loses sound, open Driver Booster and click on Tools, then Fix no sound. It automatically repairs corrupted audio drivers and resets the sound configuration. 2. Fix network failure. Under the same Tools section, you'll find Fix Network Failure. It diagnoses and repairs issues with your internet adapter drivers. 3. Fix device errors. This tool helps you fix unknown device problems in Device Manager by identifying and installing missing drivers. 4. System information. This section gives you a detailed overview of your hardware, CPU model, GPU, motherboard, RAM, etc. It's handy for troubleshooting or checking compatibility before upgrades. 5. Gain Boost. Driver Booster also has a game boost feature, which temporarily disables unnecessary background processes and services to free up RAM and CPU for gaming. Click Boost on the left sidebar. Enable Game Boost mode. You'll notice smoother gameplay and fewer FPS drops, especially on mid-range PCs.
Step 6. Customizing settings. Driver Booster gives you control over how it behaves. Click on the gear icon, Settings, in the top right corner. Under Scan Settings, you can choose Automatic Scanning when the PC starts, Schedule scans, daily, weekly, or monthly, exclude certain devices from scans. Under Update Settings, you can enable Auto Update for drivers. Choose whether to install WHQL, Certified, Drivers Only. Set bandwidth limits for downloading updates. In Restore Settings, you can manage your restore points, delete old ones, or create a new one manually.
Step 7. Cleaning up and uninstalling drivers. Driver Booster can also remove old driver packages to save space. Go to Tools and choose Clean Invalid Devices. It scans for leftover drivers from hardware you no longer use, like old printers, webcams, or USB devices. You can safely delete them to free up space and avoid conflicts. You can also uninstall a specific driver if it's causing problems. Go to the driver list, find the problematic one, click the small arrow, and choose Uninstall Driver.
Step 8. Backup and restore drivers. Before updating anything major, like GPU or chipset, it's smart to back up your drivers. Go to Tools, then Driver Backup. Select all the important ones: GPU, audio, network, and chipset. Click Backup. Driver Booster saves them in a folder, so if a new driver causes issues, you can easily restore. Go to Tools, then Driver Restore, and choose the backup you made earlier.
Step 9. Using the free versus Pro version. Driver Booster offers both free and Pro editions. Free version updates most drivers, but may skip some rare ones. You have to update manually, no auto update. Limited boost and fix tools. Pro version unlocks faster downloads and automatic updates. Includes more driver sources, over 8 million. Allows offline driver updates and better game optimization. Usually costs around $20 to $25 per year.
Driver Booster is one of the most beginner-friendly tools for keeping your PC updated and optimized. It handles everything from downloading drivers safely to repairing common hardware issues. With these steps, you now know how to use Driver Booster from start to finish, like a pro. Don't forget to subscribe and drop a like, and see you in the next one.